In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to update your LG B1 OLED TV. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control here. Let me focus it on here. Okay, on your remote control here, you'll see that there's a settings button. Go ahead and press on that. Okay, so it'll take you to this screen here. Over here on the left hand side, you'll see this sidebar here. You're going to want to click on all settings. And then this picture will come up here. You want to go to support. And then right here you'll see where it says software update. So you'll click on that. Now it gives you two different options here. One, you can click on the auto update, so that way it just automatically updates and you don't have to worry about it. Or you can check for updates here. I'm going to click on check for updates. No updates found. But this is where you would go to update your software to the latest version. Or just click on the auto update. Just like that. And then you won't ever have to worry about it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. And I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.